How to convert image to PDF on iPhone. To convert image to PDF on iPhone, you first need to go and open up Gallery on your iPhone. Once you are in, you can view all your media files. Now, tap on any picture to open. Once you have opened the picture, you need to tap on the icon over here. You will see the details of the picture appear. Here it says this picture is in PNG format. Now, you need to tap on the share icon over here. Then, you need to find the print option from the menu. Tap on it. Now, you need to tap on the share icon at the top of your screen. As you can see, the picture has been automatically converted into PDF format. Now, from here go to the Save to Files option. Tap on it. Choose the location of the PDF file. Once you're done, tap on Save at the top right corner of your screen. If you have an existing file saved, you need to overwrite it or just stop the process there. Now, minimize the application. Then, open Files from your home screen. Open the On My iPhone folder. Go to the folder where you have saved the PDF file. Now, open the PDF. And tap on the arrow over here to get the details. As you can see, the file is being converted to PDF format. By following these simple steps, you can easily convert image to PDF on iPhone.